IKEA could easily let you walk in, grab a lamp, and leave. Instead, it locks you onto a one-way path that drags you past the entire store. That's not bad design, it's the whole business. The maze has a job. The longer the path you're forced to walk, the more products you pass, and the more chances you have to grab something that was never on your list. Those unplanned grabs add up. A shopper who came for one bookshelf leaves with candles, a rug, plants, and a bag of tea lights, small impulse buys that often outweigh the big item. Then there's the flat pack. Shipping air is expensive, so IKEA ships furniture as flat boxes. Dense boxes mean far more product per truck and per shelf, a huge cut in shipping and storage cost. Flat packs also hand the assembly work to you, free labor IKEA doesn't pay for. But here's the clever part, doing that work actually makes you value the furniture more. Researchers call it the IKEA effect. People rate something they built themselves as more valuable than the identical item bought pre-assembled. Your sweat quietly raises the price you'll happily pay. Even the meatballs are strategy. They're priced barely above cost, not to make money, but to stop hungry shoppers from leaving. A fed shopper stays longer, and a longer stay means a bigger cart. So the maze, the flat box, and the meatball aren't quirks. They're one machine. Each one nudges you to walk further, stay longer, and spend more than you planned. That's the real product.